Hello, digital enthusiasts, marketers, and innovators. I welcome you all to my podcast. This is the Domin8 show, and I am Domin8, ready to learn from you and discuss bits and bytes of whatever I know of the vibrant and ever-changing world of digital marketing. Okay, so in our very first episode today, I'll be laying a groundwork for what is this show about and what we'll explore together in the episodes to come. Now, whether you're a business owner, a marketing professional, or just passionate about learning digital marketing, you're in the right place. The Domin8 show is a deep dive into digital marketing where we'll explore topics like search engine optimization, search ads, social media, content marketing, so on and so forth. By the way, you can always suggest what topics you want to explore, and we'll try to get it covered through the experts. Each week, I'll bring you insights and discussions on different facets of the field, from SEO foundations to the complexities of data analytics, and from the creativity of content marketing to the latest in social media strategies. We'll cover it all. Oh, and I'll bring you interesting case studies as well to cover the problem and how the marketers solved it. But it's not just about the evergreen knowledge. The digital world is constantly evolving, and staying updated is very crucial. So I'll also bring you the latest trends, updates, and breakthroughs in digital marketing to keep your hand on the pulse and you can stay ahead of the curve. I won't be on this journey alone. I'll invite experts and thought leaders in digital marketing to share their experiences and insights. These conversations will be a goldmine of knowledge filled with practical tips and inspiring stories. And you know the best part is? The Domin8 show is all about practical applications. We'll dissect real-life case studies, analyze both successful and not so successful campaigns to give you a rounded perspective on what works and what does not. This isn't a one-way street. I'm here to interact with you, to answer your questions and discuss your ideas. This podcast is not just mine, it's ours, and a platform for us to explore and grow in the digital marketing field together. As we wrap up this short introductory episode, remember that the Domin8 show is more than just a podcast. It's a community, a hub of learning, and your go-to guide in the digital marketing universe. So whether you're looking to sharpen your marketing skills, stay updated with digital trends, or just soak in some marketing knowledge, you're in for a treat. To all of you out there who dream big and strive to make a mark in the digital world, join me every week on this exciting adventure. Together, we'll learn, grow, and dominate the digital marketing landscape. Thank you for joining me today. Stay tuned, stay digital, and remember, in the world of digital marketing, the sky is the limit. I'm your host, Domin8, signing off from the Domin8 show. I'll catch up next week. Stay tuned. Oh wait, I almost forgot to ask for your support. If you like the concept of this podcast, please like the channel, press the bell icon, and keep sharing. I'll catch up next week. Until then, signing off. Stay connected in the digital realm. Take care. Bye.